Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have kind of an unboxing here. Another watch that Craig very kindly lent over for us to check out. The box is very big, so that's kind of why I'm chuckling a little bit. I think one of the largest watch boxes I've seen. And actually, I've not handled a Longines watch before that I can remember. Pretty sure I haven't. So anyway, first for the channel. And from what I understand, Longines is just below Omega on the, I guess, Swatch hierarchy. Yep, that's not, sorry, not going to quite make it clear the camera here. Yeah, all right, let me just pull this off to the side for a second. All right, nice wood box here with some kind of strap on it, I guess. Let's see if I can open this without... All right, there we go. Oh, very cool watch. Very neat. I had wanted to buy a Legends diver. When did they come out? Like 10 years ago? I had wanted to buy one, but I was afraid that it would be too big for my wrist and just kind of moved on to other things. I know when they first came out, they did not have the date, and then they went to a date with the stainless steel version. And it looks like this bronze one does not have a date. It looks like a green dial as well. Green? Greenish? Yeah, it looks like green. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Very cool. So looking forward to spending a little bit of time with this watch. So I can slide it off the case here, the cushion again. All right, we'll set that there for now and get this off the table. Looks like it has a green NATO strap with the matching bronze buckle and tang there. And you know, let me zoom in. Sorry about that. There we go. Yeah, neat looking texture to it there. Is that a NATO or yeah, it looks like a NATO. Anyway, let's put that back in here and set this off to the side again. So yeah, very cool. So let's see if this, okay, so that's screwed down. I have a Christopher Ward super compressor, and I think it doesn't screw down. I think I just have to turn it one way, but I will, I'll compare that watch with this one. Okay, so this is bi-directional. So kind of two different schools of thought on how that works, I guess. Now let's wind it up. I think the case size would be okay, but I'm pretty sure the lugs are pretty long on this. I think they do that to clear NATO straps. And this is a super compressor. Actually, I can't remember if this is super compressor style or if it's an actual super compressor. Okay, water, oh yeah, water resistant, of course. Swiss made, bronze case, titanium case back. Wow, that's neat. I've never seen titanium and bronze together before. Usually it's a stainless steel case back. And Legend diver. Okay, very cool. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is green. Let me know what you guys think. Green, blue. Interesting how the indices kind of have that little segmented area there, so I'm assuming the entire indice isn't loomed. Perhaps the only loom are these little squares within the indices there. Very neat. And of course the box domed sapphire crystal. Okay, let me get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. Sorry about that. Looks like I may be... There we go. Yeah, I have a small wrist and Craig has a large wrist, so we're kind of on the opposite ends of the spectrum here. Yeah, see, the lugs are probably about 52 millimeter, which is what my wristband is. Still a very good looking watch though. Let me know what you guys think. Does this look too big on my wrist? I think it does, just by a little bit. All right, let's zoom out and then we'll close out the video. Looks relatively thin as well. I don't even know how long he's had this watch for because it doesn't look like very much patina at all in this case. Maybe a little bit in between the lugs there. Alright, that will conclude this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below. Where is the other... I'm expecting there should be another keeper on here. I'll have to look at that a little bit more. But anyway, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.